I want to show you this framework because I don't want you to be intimidated by AI. There's so many nonsense courses out there, and you need a coach, and you need to buy this prompting class, and don't worry about that. This is what you need. We're going to make sure we're setting a context. We're going to give our AI background on what it is that we want to achieve. We're going to make sure that we have a clear ask. What is it that we're asking our program to solve? And we're also going to evaluate and iterate, because throughout all of data science, not just AI, but throughout all of data science since the beginning of time, there's always been this concept of the human in the loop. And that's us. We have to be the human in the loop to take the results from an algorithm. And we're going to be like the bumper lanes at bumper bowling, where we're going to tell the algorithm where it went right and where it went wrong. So that's us evaluating and reiterating based on those results. Also, something that I tell all of my clients is that we have to remember that AI, algorithms, neural networks, they're all very smart, but they're not sentient beings, right? We tend to assign too much intelligence, which kind of leads to personalization and whatnot. But the reality is that they're just math formulas, right? Underneath it, when you strip everything away, it's just math formulas with neural networks that either fire or they don't. They either activate or they don't. Just like the nerves in your body, they either fire or they don't. And that's it. That's all they are. So we want to make sure that we're also not assigning too much intelligence to them. AI will always require human creativity and human verification. Okay? But that's really the entire framework I want to lay out for all of us to work with. And we're going to see this chart again, but I want to lay it out early so that nobody feels intimidated by anything else that we're going to talk about.